Alright guys, so I'm going to show you to use precision finding with your iPhone to find your AirTag. Now you do this when you know you're already within range of your AirTag. So you guys see I'm covering up the address, but it says now with you. So that means that it's within the range of me. It could be buried somewhere like under the couch and you're not exactly sure where to find it. Now the AirTag has two chips. It has the U1 chip, which is for precision finding, and also Bluetooth. So Bluetooth you can use any iPhone, but for precision for the U1, it's only the iPhone 11 and the iPhone 12. Now if you don't have one of those models or an upcoming one like the iPhone 13, then you can't use this feature. You just have to use Bluetooth to find it. Alright, so how to do this? You're going to go into your Find My app. So to search for Find My. And once you're in here, you're going to press on whichever item you want. So I'm going to select Adam's wallet. Alright, and then press on Find Nearby. Alright, so it says it's connected, but the signal is weak. So in this case, guys, I have a bunch of walls between it. Now what you can do, guys, is you can press in the bottom right. So that's going to make the AirTag make a sound. So I heard it's in this direction. Alright, so now it picks it up 9 feet. Okay, now I have the direction. So 5 feet, 3 feet, and right here. Alright, so hopefully this helped out.